Welcome back. This is Valerie Chan, Director of VF Accountants, Fellow of the ACCA and Making Tax Digital Pro Advisor. Making Tax Digital for VAT as an Agent, Step-by-Step Guide, Section 4 of 6. Step 4. Link existing clients to your ASA. Please refer to the links in the description box on YouTube. Prior to viewing this video, please watch Section 1 of 6, Step 1, Inform Clients, Section 2 of 6, Step 2, MTD compatible software, and Section 3 of 6, Step 3, Create an Agent Services account. To recap, here are the 6 steps to implement MTD for VAT as an agent. Please note that each of the 6 steps must be followed in order. Step 1. Inform clients. Step 2. MTD compatible software. Step 3. Create an agent services account, ASA. Step 4, which we're going to look at, link existing clients to your ASA. Step 5. Sign your clients up for MTD. And finally, Step 6, linking your software to HMRC. Go to the gov.uk website, sign in to your agent services account using your new user ID and password. I've included the link in the description box in YouTube. You will then come to this screen and you need to click on the link your current self-assessment and VAT clients to this account. You can then read some of the things you need to know to link your current self-assessment and VAT clients to your agent services account. You will need to repeat this process for each of the government gateway account your business uses, such as if you have different clients. So you need to click on the sign in with another account. You then need to sign in again using the user ID and password, which you usually use to access your HMRC online services for agents. To connect to your agent services account, use the account reference number from your ASA. Note that at the moment, there will be no client list in the new ASA for MTD for VAT for security reasons, as they don't want all the firm's staff to view all the client records. HMRC is reviewing this as there have been many complaints from agents. This brings us to the end of Step 4, link existing clients to your ASA. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.